Hey, welcome back. We're back at Nantahala Cabins and we're going to be doing a fire today, and we're going to teach you guys how to make some s'mores. Check out this fire pit. Friends of ours, the Van Allens, had this made for us. Isn't it awesome? I'll walk you around to see all the designs and the cutouts and everything. And that's us, the Marceaus. And then we're back to the beginning. If you guys want to check out our fire pit or come up and meet us, just let us know and we can make arrangements for you to come out up here and maybe do some s'mores with us up here. Thanks. Hey, we're back at Nantahala Cabins and we have Gene the Bear, your guide to outdoor adventure, is going to make some s'mores. To make s'mores, you need graham crackers, Hershey's chocolate, marshmallows, and some kind of stick or metal tong to roast your marshmallows with. We're making s'mores. We have Gene the Bear. He is toasting his first marshmallow. He just can't wait to have his first s'more. He's getting the s'more all toasty. Michael's going to help Gene the Bear assemble his first s'more. We've got the graham cracker, chocolate, and the toasted marshmallow. And it's all ready for Gene the Bear. Gene the Bear is ready for his first s'more. He loves it. Come on down to Nantahala Cabins and make your own s'mores.